up, y'all? So I want to do a review on what's the name of it? The Chicken Guy. The Chicken Guy in Nashville. Okay. We got chicken strips.
Hey, y'all don't know if y'all ever heard of Guy Fieri. Well, he's a famous chef. He's a white guy with the blood spikes in his head. And if y'all from Memphis, y'all know he on the wall at Get Well at Tom's Restaurant. Right there on Get Well in Perkins. Well, yeah, he my favorite chef, though.
Yeah, so this is restaurant, The Chicken Guy.
He just opened up about 6 months ago.
So, we got 3 different sauces. What we got?
You don't tell him what kind?
This right here is the special sauce.
Oh, yeah.
How did I get that? Oh, they must just put that in there.
Fine.
The special sauce. We got the donkey sauce and the chipotle sauce for the chicken strips. We also got...
I forgot what they call it. Some kind of loaded macaroni.
It's loaded macaroni and cheese fried chicken.
They got creamy melted cheese. That's the name of it. That's what they say. They got some kind of chopped chicken. I guess it's some chicken strips. And they got some green onions. Those gonna be green onions. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna try them out though. You ain't say no what it tastes like.
You know when black people ain't eating, bro. I mean, when they eating, they ain't saying nothing to me to do. I'm gonna drop my chicken.
You just dropped the whole piece of chicken on the floor.
I know. You have.
Get it up and eat it. Blow it.
I ain't gonna.
That's what I got to think about. Yeah. Yeah, this is so delicious.
Fact.
What's his name?
Guy Fieri.
Shout out to Guy Fieri. Where did you come up with this from? What was you thinking about when you made this?
What does donkey sauce consist of? Huh? What does donkey sauce consist of?
No.
I'm gonna try it out.
But yeah, y'all, I'm about to ask him a couple questions right quick while we eating this.
I ain't eat chicken food.
What kind of sauce is it?
What say donkey sauce? It ain't nasty.
You look too thick. I ain't eating it.
Yeah, it ain't nasty. It ain't just hit. It ain't busting. It's busting, but it ain't busting.
What's this sauce?
Like
right
this.
here? Chipotle ranch. Why y'all open that door for?
I like that special sauce. You good? Yeah, you see they got the numbers of the sauces. That's number 1.
Oh.
The donkey sauce number 2.
Oh my goodness, this Chipotle is off the chain.
Yeah, I love this Chipotle.
Y'all go check this man out. The Chicken Guy. Go check him out. This place will get you broke. Make you fat too.
I'm surprised how thin this chicken is. These chicken strips, whatever they are, they so thin, but they so juicy.
And they seasoned. It's seasoned just right.
And they crispy.
Yo, this is like the best macaroni and best chicken strips I ever had in my life. I ain't know.
I got them go with turn up. Super Bowl just went out, y'all. The Rams, 2022 Super Bowl champion. They knocked us off last couple weeks ago. 49.
Woo! But I'll tell you the truth.
I tried the donkey sauce. It's tiny.
It look too thick.
No, it's good, I promise. Hey,
Okay.
I watched a review. Somebody said they tried all 22 sauces mixed together. I
For real?
Yeah, I just ain't seen it.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna ask him a couple questions. Now I made some of these up for real. Alright. I want you to tell me, Bobby, if you could describe me in 3 words, what would they be? What would those 3 words be?
Smart, beautiful, and driven. You are. Now, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Shamika been on her shit since she was young. Ever since middle school, she had a job. She ain't never depend on nobody for nothing. That's why I say she driven. And your job, she beautiful.
Thank you.
And she's smart because she graduated with a 6.2. But she is smart though, because she actually graduated this year. Yeah.
Did you get my chicken strip up off my neck?
I did. You can have it. I got a closer one too. I'm gonna try this.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that compliment. Okay. What do you love most about me?
What I love most about you? You just a kind-hearted person. That's what I love most about you, to be honest with you. And I love that you're a kind-hearted person, but your personality. Oh, I'm gonna say your personality. Yeah, that's it.
My personality?
Yeah, because you can be with a beautiful woman, but there's a personality ain't there. I love your personality. I can have fun with you. We can just,
I'm a fun person. I'm a fun person to be with.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
I just be having fun.
Why are you drinking my drink?
You sure I know about little. Well, I want to take a swig out of it.
You love being around me?
Of course.
Okay. Okay. I can't stop thinking about that food.
What food? Food for earlier, this right here.
This.
I don't want no little piece of that. I don't want to eat it.
Go ahead.
Hey, y'all. This how y'all know them gonna be juicy when they be like that. Like, when they be dry. Everything be in a straight line. For real.
Okay. Okay. What is your biggest fear today? Right now, what is your biggest fear?
I ain't got no friends. I'm really scared of no
I mean, it's not. I'm not as saying like what you scared of. It's just.
I know. I'm gonna tell you exactly my biggest fear. But I was living in Memphis and how crazy these people is. My biggest fear is I had to do something to somebody and I'll be away from my family, my kids. That's my biggest fear.
I thought you would be saying something like that.
Yeah, because this is.
Okay. What is your biggest turnoff?
A woman with some big ass feet. Nah, I'm just doing. Nah, my biggest turnoff is. What you talking about? Wow, weird.
In a woman.
Talking too much. Nick.
Talking too much?
Yeah. Because God gave 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason.
So you talking about why you in a relationship with somebody? You talking about why you in a relationship?
You said you talking about find a woman, so yeah.
Talking too much.
You should listen twice as much. When the old head told me that first, I thought that makes sense. Cause if God wanted you to have 2 mouths, you
Okay. You might have said talking too much.
German be frank.
Okay. Okay, what is your most embarrassing moment? What was the most embarrassing moment of your life? You know, when I wrote that question down, first thing I thought about. So funny.
Yeah. Nah, the most embarrassing. That wasn't even embarrassing though, not to me. Well, we ain't gonna talk about that. But,
I'm saying it was funny.
but that wasn't embarrassing though, not to me. I didn't even know what happened. Nah, man. I didn't think of that.
Can't think of one?
No, I think we're gonna skip though.
Okay. We're gonna skip that one, y'all. Okay. What makes you angrier than it should? What you let get to you?
I'm gonna tell you what make me so mad when I've been in the store behind somebody and they be taking their precious time. When somebody be like somebody had to use about 3 or 4 different cars door to and they be about 8 people behind them. They don't make you mad. Try this. Well, try this. I
ain't gonna lie.
I be so mad when I be like, it ain't even did this, bro. It's just like this. When I be in the store, they make me so mad, man. Sometimes I just drop all the stuff and leave out. I try to go to the gas station where ain't nobody lying.
You ain't got no patience.
Exactly. Not for that.
I ain't gonna lie, I might get a little frustrated if I'm in a rush or something. But it ain't gonna bother me if I'm not in a rush.
It bothers me.
I might get a little frustrated, but I ain't gonna get angry.
I'm get mad if I want to.
Okay. Oh no, this is what made me think about that right there. What's the most dumb way you ever hurt yourself? You got plenty of those.
Did you bring that up? Did you bring that up?
Did I write that?
Yeah.
I don't think so. The most dumb way he ever hurt himself, y'all. He got so many.
That's what I'm saying. I got something I can't even think of. I'm being honest with you. Because I done hurt myself so many different times. Stuff that I can't talk about on YouTube.
Y'all tell him. I mean,
I can't tell you now.
you can tell them some.
I'm trying to think of something my head did. I ain't gonna talk about this. I can't think. I don't.
It's the most dumb way you ever hurt yourself. No, I promise.
Wait till I write my question, y'all. Wait till I write my question. I'm sad over it.
Y'all.
Bro, you better include the video. I can't think of none, y'all.
Y'all, he could think of a line. He can't say right now. Woo. Y'all, it's so funny.
Well, come on, bro.
It's so funny.
Wait till bad.
He can't say right now. Okay.
Hey, that's a chick, you know.
Because you can't even answer it. And you got so many dumb ways that you hurt yourself.
Okay. Bro, you made it up. Hey, y'all, borrow my word, I'm gonna shine. Now, I'm trying to spur you, your ass hit. You might well say what's on your damn back. Now, come on, go to me.
Bro, you crazy. All right. Okay. Are you insecure?
What you mean?
Are you insecure? Wait, are you an insecure person when it comes down to your woman?
Hell no. No, shit no. Hell no. I ain't gonna let you say it. No, I ain't insecure.
Man, you crazy, man. Somebody say I ain't gonna let you say I am.
Nah, I ain't. Nah.
Okay.
I don't think I am.
You don't think you will?
Nah. Do you think I am? Tell the truth. I don't think I am at all. I be just coolin', bro. For real. Now, I know some insecure dudes, bro.
Okay. You said, do I think you insecure? I don't think
Bro, like I said, man,
I don't think you
if
insecure.
I feel some type of way, I feel some type of way, I might say something, but if I'm insecure, nah, I know some insecure dudes.
Yeah, I don't think you insecure. You just... I don't think you're insecure.
Be honest, bro.
I mean, I don't think you're insecure. You just...
Really,
I mean, me and you really like the same. Like, we basically want the same from each other. Like, you like, I don't want you talking on the phone. I don't want you having women friends talking on the phone to women. And I don't...
Hey,
and you don't want me
that
talking
I
on
don't
the
care
phone.
what nobody say, bro. If a woman married, in a committed relationship, she talking about, oh, that's my friend, that's my friend, that's my friend. Y'all talking on the phone, y'all doing this, and then as soon as the man says something, hey man, you be on the phone with this dude, why you so insecure? How is that insecure? In what world is that insecure? What you talking on? I'm just saying, like, I don't know. Now, I can understand, like, when you, I don't know.
What you mean?
Man, my woman ain't finna be talking on the phone with no dude, period. My wife, my woman, if I want married, and then when commit relationship, she ain't talking on the phone with no dude talking about they my friend. What they do? Go be with your friend then. Period. Pooh. I ain't been real talk though. And everybody I know the same way. I don't know everybody else different. It's probably so, I don't know.
I don't like... Some people do let their significant others have male friends that they're talking on the phone to. But me personally, I ain't allowed because I ain't stupid.
It ain't even about being stupid. It's about
No, I'm just saying I'm not with that. Cause you can be friends with somebody and then y'all hanging out. And you telling this person all your business, and then that person gonna feel like y'all real close, and you telling them all their business. That person might be liking on you, secretly liking on you.
I'm gonna tell you, I here watch. Hey, shout out to Darman, man. Y'all know who Darman is. I watched the Darman video, so you see. I watched the video exactly about this the other day.
For real?
Yeah. What we talking about, the topic at hand. I watched a video just like this the other day.
Yeah.
Well, that's how we feel about it.
Okay. I guess you're gonna pat me.
Huh? What?
You gonna keep patting me with your feet every time you want me?
You know, I be getting
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Okay. What annoys you the most about people?
I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what annoys me most about people. Nah, for real though, and I just went through this the other day. People coming around want you to hear their conversation. People coming around like you in the store around people you don't know. People that want to be heard so much. Remember we was up in Walmart, we was in the back bar or something, and the dude came back there, he was doing all this talking. Yeah, I'm from Chicago.
Oh, yeah.
And he came all the way back to the back of the store to buy Reese's.
He was in the electronic
I was in
department.
the electronic department by the Reese. Wanted everybody here, he had to come, he had on speakerphone. These youngsters ain't gang banging, I'm telling you. Bro, we don't want to hear that. We can't hear about some electronic. And you can't hear about Reese. That type of stuff might be made.
Okay. Okay, last question. What was the last lie you told me? Tell the truth.
A few minutes ago when I told you I was going to go down to the bar and get something, but I went to the store. I know I ain't even have my ID over there. And the bar was wide open. I said, well, I'm going to go to the store. I know the store ain't going to ID me. I said, I'm going to go down to the bar right quick and see what they got down there.
So you had already knew in the back of your mind.
Yeah, I knew I was going to go to the store.
She can come on.
But I ain't gonna lie, I would have went to the bar, but I ain't got time for them folks. Hey, but I know what's good with the store I was going to. I know I was in and out. And then right across the street. That was the last line I told me.
So if you already knew that, why you just couldn't say, I'm finna be right back, I'm finna go to the store?
Cause I did say that, then you gonna say, why you can't go to the bar?
Yeah.
Exactly. Y'all see them? So I said, you know what, okay, I will go to the bar.
Dang,
I promise. I'm telling you.
Dang, this crazy. You be getting over, man.
I ain't getting over what I'm just saying. You said, why you just say you go to the store? I did say that. This is exactly what I said. But I'm telling you.
I just tried to talk you out of going to the store.
I already know. Oh, you ain't all right. I ain't gonna lie, this son is fat though.
It's fine.
That's like somebody's grandma macaroni.
Yeah, y'all.
Hey, we finna deal with these kids, y'all. We grabbing it up tomorrow. We pushing out in the morning. We gonna go down there to eat some breakfast. And we gonna go to a couple stores. We tonight tonight. We'll be back in Memphis, man. Yep.
Yep.
Hey, y'all, I'm next though. I'm gonna write down some questions for her, y'all. How she just try to shine on me. Hey, in the future, I'm gonna tell y'all. I can't tell y'all right now. I'm gonna tell y'all. People that know me know what the dumb way I ever hurt myself. That was crazy.
Yeah,
I know
really
if
crazy.
Nikki watch this video, she go, I know she gonna be like, oh, man. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna be out of the way. We got a lot of stuff to pay.
Alright, y'all. That concludes this video.
We'll holler at y'all, man.
We'll see y'all in the next video. If y'all have not already, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share our video.
Hey, up next, man. I'm gonna do her next. What y'all think? Oh, I'm coming with some fat course. She just trying to shine.
Alright, y'all. That's it. Peace.